Hello children, let us further talk about the other two forms of the tenses in the future tense. We'll talk about the future perfect tense. Let us see the structure. Shall or will plus have plus the third form of the verb. The future perfect tense expresses an action which is expected to be completed by a certain time in the future. Before you had seen that we had talked about an event that is going to take place, but here which is expected to be completed by a certain time in the future. Let us see an example. She will have covered half of her journey by Monday next or by next Monday. The future perfect tense sometimes expresses the speaker's belief that something has taken place. In such sentences, it does not express the future, as you will have discussed the plans how to celebrate the function, said my mother. So here it is someone's belief that something has taken place. So उसने सोच रखा है तो ऐसा कुछ होगा. So in that case we use the future perfect tense. It is also used for an action which at a given future time will be in the past, as in 2 years time, that is 2 years from now, I shall have taken my degree. So here degree I was already pursuing before, but now after 2 years, that is in 2 years time, I'll have taken my degree. Now let us talk about the last form of the future tense, that is the future perfect continuous tense. Let us see the structure. Shall or will plus have been plus verb plus ing. Now, the future perfect continuous tense is used to express an action that will have been going on or before some point in the future. Now, let us see an example. We shall have been waiting for you for a long time. तो अगर हमें पता नहीं होता कि तुम नहीं आने वाली तो हम लंबे समय तक तुम्हारा इंतज़ार करते ही रहते. नाउ जनरली वी डोंट यूज सच काइंड ऑफ sentences. So I hope you have got a better understanding about all the tenses, that is the present tense, the past tense and the future tense. With this we end with the part of the tenses. Hope you have understood all the tenses well, but still if you have any doubt, please feel free to ask me anytime. Thank you.